All right, I just got it today. Hawas, let's unbox it. This is probably the most hyped fragrance I know. I have people saying it's the greatest fragrance they've ever smelled. People saying they don't like it. People saying it smells like Invictus Aqua 2016, blah, 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 blah. And then I hear it's a good, long-lasting freshie. I don't know. I've put off getting this for a long time, mainly because I'm not the biggest Invictus Aqua 2016 fan. I do have Legend Spirit. For those of you that don't know, that's what it smells like. Legend Spirit is a good clone of it. So let's see. I got the purple bottle. I hear there's purple and blue. There's different types of formulations. So I don't know what that even means. Maybe purple's good. Maybe purple's bad. Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know. Let's find out. But let's get this on. Cap is heavy. I like it. Again, I will say whether I like it or not, bottle's kind of nice. I like it. Good. It was not set. All right. 3 sprays on the box. Yeah, heavy bottle. It's a snake. I wonder why it's a snake. Who knows? All right. Okay. So it is a fresher version of Invictus Aqua. I'm not saying you don't get that DNA because you do, but it's much more appealing. Honestly, I do like it. One of my close followers is like, I think you're going to like it. He's right. I do like it. I would say this is, ooh, this is like Invictus Aqua and maybe Versace Pour Homme with a little bit of Dill and Blue mixed together. So it's like all the best qualities of those 3 fragrances all in one fragrance. This is good. Darn, this may be a good summer fragrance. Oh, shoot. I remember saying on one of my lives that I got it, and I'm afraid, because I've hated on this fragrance for a long time, and I was afraid I'm going to get it and go, I like it. I like it. So I hear this is long lasting. Again, I haven't tested it, just unboxed it, just get my first impressions. If this is a long lasting and it works in the heat, this is a good fragrance. I get why there's so much hype over it now. It is a good fragrance. I'm really digging it. We'll see. Maybe I'll love it. Maybe I won't. Maybe it performs well. Maybe it dies in my skin. I have no idea. But at the moment, oh shoot, I like this fragrance. It's good. It might be worth the $40. Now, the only issue I have is Dill and Blue. I think is still a better fragrance, and it's $40 too. This is sweeter though. I could see this being a good compliment puller. Oh, shoot. Well, I cannot wait to test this summer and see whether it lives up to the hype. Because again, this is super hyped right now. So anyone in the southern hemisphere and you're going through summer, I get it. Get Hawas. Northern hemisphere, buy it now. Here's the thing. The closer to the summer we get, so like end of January, beginning of February, fresh fragrances, the price will go up. At the moment, they're at their lowest because who wants fresh fragrances right now? Everyone wants their fall, winter fragrances. Now's the time. Get some fresh fragrances and see what they're like for you and your collection. So I hate to say it, I'm recommending Hawas. Get Hawas. Dang, that is really good. I like it. All right, well, this is Nubs Fragrance. Can't wait to talk to you soon. I'm digging Hawas.